You are watching Liquid Vibes. Today I will show you how to make 2 classic champagne cocktails in just 90 seconds. So let's go and jump in. Take 2 champagne glasses. For mimosa, pour 60 milliliters of orange juice. Use chilled orange juice for better results. And 15 milliliters of Cointreau. Perfect. Now for French 75. Pour 15 milliliters of lemon juice. 15 milliliters of simple syrup. And 30 milliliters of London dry gin. I hope you are enjoying this video. Perfect. Now top up both the glasses with champagne. You can note down both the recipes from the description box. And please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes. Garnish with an orange slice. And a lemon twist. And the classic Mimosa and French 75 cocktail is now ready for you. Cheers!